My name's Michael McVickers. I drive for Apollo Driving School. At Apollo School of Motoring we offer driving lessons in the northeast of England, from as far north as Morpeth, down the coastline through Newcastle, Gateshead, Sunderland and down to Hartlepool. We also cover Durham and the Hexham areas and the Tyne Valley as well. At Apollo Driving Lessons we provide courses for beginners. We also provide intensive courses for people that need to pass quickly. We have block bookings for 5 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours. We have 30 plus driving instructors in the northeast, and we do manual and automatic cars as well. For more information for Apollo Driving Lessons, visit us online. It's apollodrivinglessons.co.uk. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter, or you could give us a call on 0800 5877 015.